Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we'll be talking about provision of purified water to urban areas. So when we say urban areas, we're talking about places like towns and cities, places we live in, like big towns and cities. So in urban areas, water that is gotten from rainfall, rivers, or lakes is collected in a storage reservoir. So most of the suspended matter that is in the water settles to the bottom of the reservoir. So sunlight helps to kill harmful microorganisms in the water. So that's the first thing. After the water has been collected, matter settles to the bottom of the reservoir that we collect it in. Then sunlight helps to kill harmful microorganisms in the water. So after this water has been collected in the storage reservoir, it is pumped to the water works for treatment. The body that is in charge of water or water distribution in that place, the water is pumped there so that it can be treated. So what happens in the treatment of this water is that first, the water is passed through some tanks that chemicals have been added into. So we have chemicals like potash alum. We add it to this water to cause coagulation. So we make sure we pass water into tanks that contain chemicals like potash alum, and this is added to cause coagulation. So the impurities in the water clump together to form big particles of dirt that settle down rapidly. So the clean water can now easily be collected. Then after this, the water is passed through a sand filter bed to remove the remaining fine particles of sand and dirt. So all particles of sand is removed by passing through a filter bed. Then the water is treated again with chemicals like chlorine to remove and to kill microorganisms. Also, other chemicals like fluorine. Fluorine is a chemical that prevents tooth decay. And also another chemical like iodine. And iodine prevents goiter. So these other chemicals like this are also added to the water to treat the water. So we go through all these long processes just to ensure we can get purified, clean water. So that is the next step, treating of it with chemicals to kill the microorganisms. So we add chemicals like chlorine, fluorine, and iodine. Then finally, the water that has been treated is stored in a reservoir, another reservoir, or a storage tank that is usually sited at a higher level above the town. And the purified water is then distributed to the houses through a system of pipes. So that's where water is provided, purified water is provided in urban areas. So that's the end of today's video. See you in our next video.